Teamers. Welcome back to the middle school. I'm Ms. McMurray, Ms. Mac, the math teacher on the Silver Team, and welcome to my classroom. Let's go in. So I'm not going to be here today. I'm actually going to be out fishing with my dad. So hopefully we'll catch some stuff. I'll let you know when I see you. But here's our math classroom. I'm setting it up. We've got a lot of materials in here for you to use. We're going to be working in groups all year and working through some algebra. I'm very excited to have you come in next week. So I hope you all enjoy this last Labor Day. One more weekend of full-on summer. Go outside, do something exciting, be amazing, and we'll see you next week. Looking forward to seeing y'all.
Hi there, incoming students. My name is Ms. Webster, and I am the social studies teacher on the Silver Team. I'm not able to be at school today, but I did want to welcome you to our team and to social studies class. So this year in social studies, you'll be studying civics, and it's going to be a busy year. We have a lot to learn, and I very much look forward to seeing you next week. And I wish you all the best on your remaining days of summer. Enjoy.
Hi, I'm Miss Kraus, and I want to welcome you to the 8th grade science at Quelters Middle School. I'm new this year, but I'm really excited to get started. I've been teaching for 20 years, and I have a ton of experience to bring to the school. So I can't wait to meet all of you on our first day next Wednesday, and welcome you to our class. Have an awesome rest of your summer, and I'll see you soon.
I'm Mr. Tucker. I'll be teaching at ELA this year on the Silver Team. Really looking forward to getting to meet you and accomplishing great things this year. So rest up, enjoy your final few days of summer, and we'll see you on Wednesday. Looking forward to it. See ya.